Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. In for today's video, I'll gonna show you how to fix the error 1070 support code problem of this Canon Pixma G2730 printer. But before anything else, let me test print the unit first before we proceed on troubleshooting, in order for me to show you the actual printer issue and error support code problem for this machine. So now let's go first into our PC and print this sample document. And here's now the error support code, in which it shows 1070 error. The Canon support code 1070 indicates a paper failure problem, in which the printer cannot grab or pull the paper. This is typically caused by a paper jam problem. Then now, since the printer cannot grab the paper, the warning indicator LED keeps on flashing. Then to proceed checking the issue, we may now first turn off the printer. Then remove the unfeed paper on its paper tray. By this, we can determine that in which portion of the paper tray that having a paper jam issue. Then lift the scanner to get access inside the printer and see the paper jam or foreign object inside the printer and clear the paper path. And if you found any single broken pieces of crumpled paper inside, please remove it because that might cause that issue. But in my case, I don't see any crumpled paper or foreign object inside the printer. Therefore, the next step that we need to do and check is the paper tray. Then here, carefully inspect and remove all foreign object that being trapped inside the paper tray that may cause the paper jam issue. So here we found a push pin that being trapped inside the paper tray. So now we'll just only remove it in order to solve and fix the 1070 error issue. Then now, after the paper path and paper tray is being cleared from any foreign object that causes the issue, we may now run a test print. We may now load a paper on the paper tray and press the power button to turn on the printer. Then we may go to our PC again and print our sample document to test the machine if the issue has been resolved. Then now printer is starting on printing our sample document. So now we have successfully print our sample document and resolved the 1070 support code problem. And that's how simple it is to remove the paper jam and fix the support code 1070 error of this Canon Pixma G2730 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.